It's the two words nobody wants to hear after a fender bender. At fault.
It sounds like a personal judgment, but in the insurance world, it's actually a technical determination of who's responsible for the bills.
So if I'm the one who caused the accident, does that mean my insurance company is basically writing a blank check to the other driver?
Not a blank check, but they are responsible up to your policy limits. In an at-fault state, which is most of the country, the driver who caused the crash is responsible for the other person's property damage and medical expenses.
How do they even decide who is to blame? Is it just my word against theirs?
It can feel like that, but insurance adjusters are like detectives. They look at the police reports, witness statements, and the physical damage on the cars.
Right, if I have a dent in my front bumper and they have a dent in their rear bumper, it's pretty obvious I rear-ended them.
Exactly. But then there's the no-fault twist. There are 12 states, including places like Florida, New York, and Michigan, that operate under no-fault laws.
Wait, so in these states, nobody is to blame?
Oh, someone is still usually blamed for the accident, but the payment system is different. In a no-fault state, your own insurance pays for your medical bills, usually through something called PIP, or personal injury protection, no matter who caused the crash.
So if I live in Florida and someone hits me, I don't wait for their insurance to decide if they're guilty. My own insurance just starts paying my doctor?
Exactly. It's designed to get people medical care faster and keep small injury claims out of the court system.
But what about the cars? Does no fault cover the bumpers too?
Usually no. Even in no-fault states, damage to the vehicles is still typically handled by the at-fault driver's liability insurance.
Okay, so here's a $1 million question. If I'm found at fault, are my rates going to skyrocket tomorrow morning?
Not necessarily. Your insurer will look at the why. Was it a total accident due to a slippery road, or were you texting? If it's your first accident in 10 years, some companies even offer accident forgiveness.
But if you were negligent, like speeding or running a light, you can definitely expect a rate hike at your next renewal.
The bottom line, stay calm at the scene, gather all the evidence you can, and never admit fault until the adjusters have done their job.
And if an at-fault accident has pushed your rates up, don't just settle for that high bill. Head over to cheapinsurance.com.
We'll help you find carriers that are more forgiving of a single mistake so you can get back to a rate you can actually afford.
Knowledge is the only thing that actually lowers your risk. I'm Tito.
And I'm Jacqueline.
Drive safe, stay focused, and we'll see you at cheapinsurance.com.